You are going to learn all pro editing tips and tricks. The first one, adding visuals like stock elements, effects and presets, overlay effects, sound effects like pop or bass sounds, voiceover techniques, fonts, graphics, transition, text animations, adding glow effect, cutting silent part, what is Lcut and Jcut, animation principles, color grading, color correction and much more. So let's come to the main point. Immersive audio. In video editing and motion graphics, sounds can evoke emotions and emphasize actions. For examples, a whoosh sound for a text animation or a click for a button press. Here's some sound effects and how to use them. Shutter sound. We often use it with the visual cue such as a flash, photo frame, or transition. Pop sound. You can use it with the action or visual cue such as a bubbling bursting, text appearing or an object bouncing. Riser sound. Riser sounds are typically used to build tension, excitement or anticipation. Ambient sounds. Its purpose to create a sense of environment or atmosphere. We use it with background noise in scenes to make them feel alive. Examples: city traffic, birds chirping or the sound of waves. Tips for using sounds effectively. Number 1. Match audio to visuals. Ensure sounds align perfectly with on-screen actions or events. Always keep balanced audio levels to avoid overpowering one element like music overshadowing dialogue. Fonts and emotions. Fonts communicate not just words but also feelings, tone and personality. The right font enhances the emotional impact of your design while the wrong one can send mixed signals. Stick to 2-3 fonts to maintain a clean and cohesive design. Serif fonts. For example, Times New Roman and Grammont. It's used for traditional, sophisticated, formal and trustworthy emotions. You can use it for books, formal documents and luxury branding. Example: a law firm using a serif font to convey professionalism. Font weight and its impact. Light fonts feel delicate, airy or elegant. Bold fonts exude strength, confidence or importance. Italic fonts add emphasis or a sense of emotion. Always combine fonts for emotional depth. Use a contrast pair a serif font with a sans serif font for balance. Font hierarchy. Use larger, bolder fonts for headlines to grab attention and smaller, simpler fonts for body text. Limit choices for fonts. Stick to 2-3 fonts to maintain a clean and cohesive design. Adding visuals. Adding visuals is crucial to video editing as it enhances the storytelling, engages viewers, and conveys information effectively. Adding visuals is about creatively combining elements to guide the viewer's attention, improve understanding, and make your video visually engaging. Here's an explanation. You can add this type visuals. The first one is text, for example titles, subtitles, captions or motion typography. The second is images, for example logos, icons or stock photos. And third one is HD video clips. You must use this one. For example, this A-roll. You can use many A-roll and B-roll footage or overlays creates much more attention. Graphics, and this is very important money. You must use this one's money. Shapes, animations or pre-made assets. This is effects money. For example, glow, transitions, particle effects or 3D elements. The next is stock elements money. Light leaks, you must use these ones many textures and background visuals. Always use blending modes, for example multiply, overlay to integrate many visuals with the backgrounds money. So next topic is some tips for adding visuals. Keep it relevant money. Use visuals that align with your video's theme and purpose. The next is money. Stay consistent money. Stick to a consistent styles for colors, fonts and effects. Balance design. Avoid clutter. Ensure the visuals complement rather than the overwhelm. And this is also important money. Timing is key. Sync visuals with audio or narration for better impact. Here is example. Let me show you. Examples of visual enhancements. Use callouts and labels to highlight important parts of the video. Use transitions like fades, vibes, or dynamic animations to switch scenes like this. Text animations. Add kinetic typography to emphasize key messages. Overlay effects. Use lens flares, particles, or light aesthetics for a cinematic touch. You can add motion graphics like circles, arrows, underline, glowing subject, a vignette, Color grading for more intention. Darken or blur the subject areas. It helps for focusing the main point to viewers. And don't forget to change the hue like red for negative feelings, yellow or green for positive feelings. Pro tips: and don't forget to animate visuals. Use keyframes to animate properties like position, scale, opacity and rotation. Adding glow effect. You must add glow effect in your every project. It's used in video editing to create a redding glowing around an object, text, images, neon lights, sci-fi elements, logos, icons, gaming, VFX and magical effects. How the glow effect works. You should use blending modes like add or screen to make the glow interact naturally with the background. Cutting silent part. Wow, it's more interesting part. Cut down the silent part for more engagement because people want more entertainment. You should add cuts every 2 seconds like in Mr. Beast videos, or you should change the scene every 4 to 5 seconds because our eyes blinking in every 4 to 5 seconds. Pro tips: don't minimize short durations if they are interesting, and don't apply this method in every video. Lcut and Lcut are advanced editing techniques commonly used in video editing to create smooth and natural transitions between clips. How to create a Lcut and Lcut in After Effects. Import your video and audio assets into the timeline. Detach or unlink the audio from the video if necessary. Drag the audio track of the second clip to start earlier than its corresponding video. Don't forget to adjust the keyframes for smoother audio transitions if needed. How to create Lcut in After Effects. Place your video and audio onto the timeline. Unlink the audio from the video if needed. Extend the audio of the first clip to overlap with the video of the next clip, and use crossfade effects for seamless transitions. Smooth keyframe animation principles. Here is one example. Facial expression. We are using always it in After Effects. Here you can see. Makes an object randomly move 50 pixels 3 times per second. Tips for better animations. Smooth transitions. Use easing to make movements fluid. Timing and spacing. Ensure animations have proper passing to match the mood or audience. Use motion blur. Enable motion blur for realistic movement. Keep it simple. Avoid overloading your animation with unnecessary effects. Leverage presets. Always start with After Effects built-in presets to save time. Color grading. Color grading is the process of enhancing or altering the color tone and mood of a video or image to achieve a specific artistic or cinematic look. Key steps in color grading. Color correction. Before color grading, color correction ensures that the footage has accurate exposure, white balance, and consistent colors. First, adjust exposure, correct brightness and contrast. Set a white balance. Neutralize unwanted color cards. For example, fix overlay blue or orange tone. Add stylized effects. Color tints. Add subtle tints for a unique look, for example teal and orange for cinematic look. Add vignettes. Darken edges to draw focus onto the center. Popular color grading styles. Cinematic teal and orange creates contrast between skin tones and shadows, making subjects more pop. You can use it in action films or dramatic scenes. Desaturated look. Reduce vibrancy for a moody or realistic feel. You can use it for documentaries or dystopian themes. High contrast. High contrast and vibrant color adds energy and excitement. You can add it in music videos and adventure footage. Voiceover. Key elements of a good voiceover. Clarity. Speak clearly and enunciate words to ensure your message is easily understood. Use a high quality microphone to avoid distortion, tone and emotion. Match your tone to the content. Professional and calm tone for corporate videos, energetic and lively voice tone for entertainment videos, and warm and friendly tone for tutorials. Voice passing. Speak at a natural pace, neither too fast nor too slow. Pause strategically for emphasis or to give viewers time to observe information. Voice authenticity. Your sound should be genuine and conversational to build trust and to keep the audience engaged. Pronunciation. Ensure correct pronunciation of technical terms or names. Steps to create a voiceover. Write a script. Draft a concise and engaging script tailored to your video content. Break it into sections and align it with your video's visuals. Set up recording equipment equipment. Use a good quality microphone and noise cancelling headphones. Record in a quiet space with minimal background noise. Consider using audio software like Adobe Audition or Audacity for recording. Practice delivery. Rehearse the script to find the right tone, emphasis, and passing. Warm up your voice before recording. Record in short segments to maintain energy and reduce errors. Monitor the audio quality during the session. Voiceover tips for success. Stay hydrated. Clear voice starts with proper hydration. Use breathing techniques. Controlled breathing improves consistency. Test before recording. Do a short test to check audio quality and volume. Always take breaks. Long recording sessions can strain your voice. I have made 3 Isaac editing style video. You must watch that to improve your editing style. In the next video, I will make this social media ad for you. If you really want to get this ad, leave a comments below. I will definitely make it for you. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.